I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Python programming. In the last session, we discussed about for loop and while loop, which are major loops in Python programming. So in order to control the loop, we are using major loop control statements. Usually, the important loop control statements which are used in Python programming are one is break, other one is called a continue. Why break is required? So the main purpose of break is to terminate the loop prematurely based upon the condition. Suppose if I want to come out of the loop at a particular situation, I need to use the command called break. Suppose if you want to skip the rest of the current iteration, and if I want to move for next iteration, I need to go for continue. So it gives the continuity of the particular program. So based on the break and continue statement, we can come out of the program or you can continue the program. So these are the importance of the loop control statements which are used in Python program. Moving on to the further discussion, let's see some basic examples of break and continue statement. As you can observe, there is one, you can see one for loop. Okay, look at this. Just a moment. Yes. As you can see, there's a break statement you can observe. Here, we are using a for loop. So we are going to define the for loop by using a command called keyword called for. Then let's see the variable num in the range of 1, 11. Correct? Yes. Now, what we are going to do is we'll be using an if statement. If number equal to 5, then break. Afterwards, you need to print the numbers. Correct? That means till whenever the number is equal to 5, it will come out of the loop. Actually, the range is already defined between 1 and 11. But as soon as the variable called num that is equal to 5 will come out of the loop. So it will print only up to 4. Why it is not printing 5? Because once it is reached to 5, it will come out. Okay, that is why the output will be in this fashion. You will be getting up to 4. If I talk about the continue, it is just opposite to that of break. Let us define for loop by using a keyword called for. Num is a variable. It is in the range of 1, 11. Here range is a function. If number is equal to 5, if the number is equal to 5, then go for continue. So that it will continue. So you'll be getting the count up to, you can see the count. Please refer the particular. So it will be counting. It will be keep on continuing. Okay. So this is regarding the continue statement. So there is one more example for the break. You can observe. So as we can see, we are using a while loop. Okay, for loop and while loop we can use. It is applicable for while loop also. While true, print please type your name. Then we consider the name is equal to input. Okay, input is a inbuilt function. If the name is equal to your name, then go for break. Otherwise, print thank you. So first of all, you'll be in the as soon as you run the program, they will ask like please enter your name. Later, if the name is your name, then you will be getting the output as thank you because you will be using the break statement so that the program will come out and the result will be returned. So this is actually called the break statement. Okay. So please practice the same program. Now we'll see if you want, you can see the syntax also. So in your examination, syntax is important. So for the while loop, you can use while test expression. For example, while true. So you can write the codes inside the loop. Then you can apply the if condition. If the given condition, then go for break. So it will directly come out of the program. So result will be displayed over here. Fine. If I go for like a continuous statement, so here you have to give the test expression while the condition, while true or while false. Write the code here. If the condition, then continue. It will skip. It will come back. It will come back and it will receive. It will receive the particular information. So this is regarding the continue statement. So these are the two important loop control statement which are used in Python programming. So we can perform the repetitive task. Okay. So the main purpose of loop is mainly for repetitive tasks, but we need to control the flow of information through the loop by using break and continue statement. So in this session, we discussed about how to make out a break and continue statement in the simple program. And in the previous session, we discussed about the conditional statement, the loop statement. In this session, we completed the control statement. Okay. Now I'll be showing you the particular program so that you will understand break and continue statement clearly. Now in the screen, you can see I have typed the code for operating the break operation, how to use the break as a flow control statement. Okay, loop control statement. So let me run the program. Yes, of course, you can observe. So when as soon as the number equal to 5, it will come out of the loop and the result is getting printed. Okay. Now we'll see the continue statement. So in the for loop, we are assigning the variable number num equal to 5, it will be continued. Now let's see how it is going to operate. Yes, of course. So it will be printed 11, total 11 for 10 numbers. Okay. This is regarding the continue statement. In this lecture series, in this lecture class, we discussed about the importance of loop control statements such as break and continue. It is very relevant for the programming. Thank you so much for watching this video.